थिंक वो सब पोलराइजेशन तो सब जगह हो चुका है, ट्विटर पे कहीं भी आप ले लो, सोशल मीडिया. बट आई थिंक सबकी इंडिविजुअल चॉइसेस रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए एंड सबको स्पेस देना चाहिए. बट वोटिंग चाहे आप जिसको भी करें, बट वोटिंग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं ये मौका लेती हूँ और प्रार्थना करती हूँ लोगों से कि प्लीज़ 29 को ज़रूर निकलिएगा अपने घरों से. ये आपके लिए सेलिब्रेट करने की छुट्टी नहीं है, हाँ हमारी डेमोक्रेसी सेलिब्रेट करने की छुट्टी है. तो अपनी डेमोक्रेसी, अपने हक को सेलिब्रेट कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ गो आउट एंड वोट ऑन द 29th of April. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी. मैं भी जा रही हूँ. सी मेरी कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं है उसके ऊपर, लेकिन आई रियली थिंक दैट यू नो वोटिंग डोंट डू इट एज अ ड्यूटी. इट इज़ योर राइट एंड यू हैव टू एक्सरसाइज दैट राइट एंड यू हैव द पावर to voice your mind and to voice what you feel in that ballot. So you should let go of the opportunity. तो please जाके वोट करिए और मैं तो encourage करूँगी voting को.
ये कौन से 2 ग्रुप्स हैं? मैं जस्ट डिस्क्लेमर बिफोर यू आस्क मी दिस क्वेश्चन, मैं 12 दिन की छुट्टी पे था, तो एग्जैक्टली पिछले 2-3 दिन में क्या हुआ है मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं देखा है. तो आई विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चन इफ आई नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. आई एम गेसिंग आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. क्या हो गया ये ग्रुप्स का तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है. कुछ ग्रुप्स का इशू हुआ. But those are individual choices. As a citizen of this country, you have to decide who you want to vote for. So I don't think that has to do with whether it's a part of the film industry or not. I think that's exactly what voting actually is, which is going out there and deciding who you believe in, who you want to vote for. So there's nothing wrong with that.
We'll start by discussing about a very basic thing. How elections unite this country, okay? When I think about elections, I think this is the one day when people from all stratas, all backgrounds, all working backgrounds, all family backgrounds come together to do one thing, to vote. They all combine in this act of voting. Do you think elections unite the country like nothing else does in India? Would you like to start, Saif?
Well, yes. I mean, the act of voting in the largest democracy in the world is obviously a very unifying thing.
Yes.
The question is, you know, I mean, the importance of voting. I mean, and is the most important thing that you can do as a citizen of this country. I think young people notoriously do not vote. And I think that is the reason we've been brought here today, is to speak at this forum, to try and influence and point out the importance of that vote today. And living in a democracy, that voice you have, that importance you have to effect change, is the most important thing. And I think that unity and that awareness of that democracy is why we're here. So, you know, good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for that question. Yeah.
Bhumi, you want to add something to that?
Absolutely. As you said, it definitely is the largest festival that all of us can come together and celebrate, irrespective of our religion, caste, creed, color, etc., etc. You know, I believe we are going to have around 900 million voters this year.
Yes.
And I think it's amazing. And yes, it's a festival, but and it's a holiday. That doesn't mean that you sit home and chill. You know,
It's a
you
long
have to
weekend, guys.
Yeah, and you can't. You have to be responsible about the fact that we are in a democracy. Our constitution has given us the right to vote, and we have to exercise it with a lot of responsibility.
Yes.
You know, we are the people that are going to choose our government. The government is made by us, for us.
Yes.
You know, we have to make sure that we have the right people in a place of power.
Yes.
You know, that are responsible and that love our nation as much as we do.
Definitely.
You know, so definitely it's a festival, and we need to celebrate it, and we need to be proud of it. We can't be negative ki, you know, kya fayda jaake vote kare, ya, you know, what's the point of going and voting? No, it's your duty towards your country.
Definitely. Like, as we must all have heard, it's not just a right, it's a responsibility. So, yeah. Okay, I have some names here, okay? Sorry, you wanted to add something, Siddhant? Please do.
Yeah, I mean, I should, right?
Yes, you should.
Well, काफ़ी तादाद में लोग आए. I see some empty seats, but I hope this doesn't happen on the voting day. So guys, please go vote because do it for yourself, yeah. It's like a dressing on your burger, maybe, you know. And if you don't choose that, you won't like it when you eat it. So you're choosing your country, you're making your country. You guys, you know, for all the things you wait to do when you turn 18, I think one of the most fun thing is to make a country, which you'll remember when you're old, and you know, so just do it, guys. It's choose your leader, choose your government, and yeah, and just 29th of April is also speaking about holidays, yeah. Don't do that. I know you can vote and go have fun, chill, play some games, watch IPL, do whatever you want to, but please vote. That's the priority, and that's you know, do it for the freedom fighters who have you know, fought for our country and visioned you know, an India where you know, they wanted to make this India great.
Yes.
Sone ki chidiya, as they say. Get it back again, and it's in our hands. हम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? Over like I think around 2/3 of the population is under 35, so it's the youth has a very important role to play. It's our duty, it's our responsibility, and our right to choose the one who
Completely
leads our
agree.
country.
हम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा?
Exactly.
And even one vote is important, right? So, I mean, I think not voting should not be an option.
Definitely.
And, yeah, and you can really affect change. And people will fear. I think one of the things that any government or any leader should fear and be really aware of is the power of unity, of union in this country. Like if you get together, if you get a student union body together and, you know, decide and discuss and decide you can vote one way or not, suddenly you become really important people to these guys and they'll fear you. So use that and look after the country we live in.